Advise ERP Annex for cyber physical threat, just like, for example, ransomware during a blackout. Integrate digital tools with traditional response function. Number two, assess how stakeholder collaborations, like, for example, with local authorities, amplifies improvement for high-risk industries like healthcare. Number three, reflect on a ERP rule in post-emergency recovery. How do continuous improvement process transform reactive plans into proactive resilience framework? A revised ERP annex should address incident where digital and physical system fail at the same time, such as ransomware attack during a power blackout. It must include offline backups, manual operations, and clear authority lines when digital tools are unavailable. Digital tools like cybersecurity monitoring, encrypted communications, and cloud backup should be integrated with traditional response actions such as generators, manual reporting, and evacuation procedures. This ensures continuity of operations and safety even when technology is compromised. Stakeholders collaborations and ERP improve collaborations with stakeholders such as local government emergency responders and utility providers expands an ERP scope by improving coordinations, resource sharing, and faster response. Joint planning allows real-time information exchange and reduce duplication of efforts during emergencies. For high-risk industries like healthcare, ERPS should include shared incident command system, regular inter-agency drills, secure data sharing protocols, and backup medical and IT um, infrastructures and protocol patients and critical services. While an ERP plays a vital role in recovery by guiding damage assessments, service restorations, and return to normal operations, continuous improvement process such as after actions reviews and regular updates help identify weakness and strengthen future responses. Through training, audits, and lesson learned, the plan evolve into proactive resilience frameworks that anticipate risk and minimize failure, future rather disruptions.